Wel, mae cefnogi'r Gymraeg wastad wedi bod yn bwysig iawn I ni yn y cyngor, ond mae safonau'r Gymraeg yna wedi cynhyddu'r her yn sylweddol a mae'n rhoi o bethau I ni'n wneud. O ran darparu gwasanaethau i'r cyhoedd yn Gymraeg. Y broblem sydd da ni, dwi'n credu, yw yn bod ni fel pob cyngor arall am hwn ni yn ei ddwyrain Cymru yn cael anawsterau recrwtio digon o siaradwyr Cymraeg. A felly, wrth gwrs, gan bod cynghorau yn darparu gymaint o wahanol wasanaethau, mae bron a bod yn amhosib I ni recrwtio siaradwyr Cymraeg I bob gwasanaeth.
Our corporate contact centre, Contact One Vale, had already been providing improvements to service to our customers in general. We realised that we needed to replicate that for our Welsh-speaking customers. We recognised that actually by targeting Welsh-speaking demand to the small group of Welsh-speaking staff we had, we could actually, with the right training in place, deliver an end-to-end Welsh language service that would represent a significant improvement in customer experience.
Fi wedi cael yn hyfforddi ar lot o wasanaethau, a fi'n delio dy pob galwad fi'n cael un yn Saesneg neu Gymraeg. A yn enwedig pethau syml fel gwastraff, problemau ar y priffyrdd, neu mae rai wedyn sy'n mwy cymleth, a maen nhw fel gwasanaethau dolion a treth cyngor. A fi wedyn yn trial delio dy pob galwad heb goffod dod I cwsmer drwy I adran arall. Trial wneud trwy'r gyfrwng yn Gymraeg.
The key successes we've had have been based on making the most efficient use of a small staff resource. So the same people who provide call handling resource will also provide Welsh-speaking reception services. We'll also flex them to provide Welsh language responses to emails and in actual fact in any other customer channel.
Sa'n ni'n annog pawb sy'n canolfan alwadau I wneud y defnydd gorau felly o'r siaradwyr Cymraeg sy'n ar gael mwyn cynnig y gwasanaeth gorau posib i'n cwsmeriaid ni.
I think one of the key things for me is that we get the same level of customer satisfaction on the Welsh language inquiries that we do on English language inquiries. And really it's about delivering the best possible customer service irrespective of language choice. And in actual fact, the processes that we use for Welsh language calls are exactly the same as the processes that we use for English language calls, so there's no difference in that respect. And in actual fact, it's no more difficult.